Hooray! Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to script in Roblox, and sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but today I'll tell you how to script and the basics of scripting. So this is episode 1 of scripting. So to script, you first need a script. I'll first be talking about how the scripts will work, like what type of script it is and how it works and how it's used in code, and then I'll do an example, and then we'll make like a build out of it. So first, let me make a script. Okay, so here's the script. We're gonna be learning about local scripts. So local scripts are basically variables. So what a variable is that it's kind of like a variable where there's like a thing, like a name. So the local, until you write something like, I'm gonna write hello. Say it's now, okay, it's now, so this is hello. So it's saying that hello is equal to something. So we can actually write many things right here. We can write numbers, we can write parts of a game, like workspace.part or whatever you want, like game.workspace. But today we will be doing we'll be using the workspace. The workspace will not use numbers. So let me just rename this to part. Okay, part. Let me just quickly make a part. Okay, you can see this is our part. We'll do that later. Script. Okay, so it's local part. Okay, so it's called script. We can do two types of things. Let me just quickly copy this. So there's two types. So we could do a script, like a local script, which is like game.parent. No, it's not parent. Sorry, it's game.workspace.part. Oh, sorry, not primary part. Part. Okay, so this is the big version. So what it's saying is to go to the game, which is like the whole Roblox game that you made. Now go to workspace, which is right here. Now you're gonna look for part. Okay, or we could do is script.parent. Script.parent means this is the script and this is the parent. But for script.parent, what we need, this is like, so this is script, this is parent. But if we write script.parent, let me write this part 1. Script.parent, now what it means is script.parent. But this is not saying that we're doing the part. So what you can do is bring the script right here. For this example that we're gonna use today, we will just need to put our script in here, and we're only gonna use part number 1 that I put here. I'm gonna rename that to part. Okay, so let me quickly make a little script. Okay guys, I'm back making the script. It took me a few times to write down the script. There were a few errors, but this is how the script works. And wait, I forgot something. I forgot to make a wait script. Let me quickly explain how it works. So what I'll do is say that local part equals script.parent. So what I'll say that part is a nickname for script.parent, which is the parent here. If I did script.parent, that will mean script.part.workspace, because that's the parent of part, and script part is the parent of script. So it's saying while true do, meaning if it's true, then what to do is that change the part brick color equal brick color dot random. So that means it'll pick any random color, then click on wait. Okay, then what will happen is that it should wait until, yeah, see, it makes a random color. Oops, what happened? You can see it's made a cool disco area. It looks very cool, just to say. So let me do something. Okay, so you can see it's made a disco. So now we're done. Now what we could also do is make it so it's certain colors. So to make it certain colors, what we will do is that we will make it so it instead of picking random colors, it picks certain colors. So what we will do is that we'll, instead of writing this, we will just copy this, okay? Okay, let me just delete that. Put that back. What we'll do is now we'll pick a random color. So if we do here, you can see there are many colors. So we'll do red. Okay, let's wait 1 second. Let's do that. Now paste. Green. I'm actually doing RGB statements, but we're not doing any RGB colors. It's just RBG type colors. So if you understand what RBG means, it means red. It means red, green, and blue. So I'm gonna make 3 of those. So quickly. Perfect, and now it should work. Oh yes, I forgot to change it to say wait 1, but you saw that it was changing colors to red, green, then blue. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Okay, this looks pretty cool, but you guys are probably like, oh, these are only brick colors. And if you don't know what brick colors are, they're basically colors that Roblox Studio makes for you. So, like, you know that when you, like, go to the property section, then you click on, like, brick color. This is what brick color is. And this is what color is. So, if I change this, I can do this to color or to color 3 to, we can make this random color. So I'm gonna make it so it's some random color. Should work. Okay, we shouldn't. What is it? That's weird. Okay. Okay, I don't know what the problem is, but I'll actually explain the color 3 in another video. So yeah, we will learn that in another video in like maybe episode 3 of scripting or something. And so yeah, this is the basics. So I'm gonna quickly make like a little disco stand and see you then. Okay guys, I quickly updated it so it looks good. And ta-da! I made a little disco bomb. Like a disco, I forgot what you call it. A disco ball. It looks pretty cool actually. So we're done today's videos. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And actually I haven't made a video and I'll tell you the reason because I actually been very lazy and said that I'll make videos, but I actually never made any videos. But today I decided to make videos. And I actually thank you for 32 subscribers because when I last checked I was like at 27 or something. So yeah, thank you for 32 subscribers and yeah, see you soon. Okay, bye. Hooray.